Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on an old tablet. First, let's ensure your device meets the basic requirements. Check your tablet's operating system. Roblox typically needs Android 5.0 or newer. Make sure you have at least 1 GB of available storage. A strong, consistent internet connection, ideally over 20 megabits per second, is also crucial for a good experience. These initial checks will set you up for success. To get the best performance from your older tablet, optimizing its settings is key. Before opening Roblox, close all other applications running in the background. Regularly clear your tablet's cache to free up valuable memory and processing power. Within Roblox, navigate to the settings and reduce the graphics quality to the lowest possible setting. This significantly improves frame rates and overall responsiveness, making gameplay much smoother on less powerful devices. If your tablet still struggles, cloud gaming offers an excellent alternative. Services like Xbox Cloud Gaming or Boosteroid allow you to stream Roblox directly to your device. This means the heavy processing is done on powerful remote servers, not your tablet. Your tablet simply displays the video feed, requiring minimal local resources. Remember, a very strong and consistent internet connection, ideally over 50 megabits per second, is absolutely vital for a lag-free cloud gaming experience. To maximize your Roblox enjoyment on an older tablet, keep your device's operating system updated to the latest version it supports. Always use a reliable Wi-Fi connection. A 5 GHz network often provides better speed and stability than 2.4 GHz. By following these simple steps, you can significantly improve your gaming experience. Now you're ready to dive into the exciting world of Roblox, even on your trusty older tablet.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.